Hello students, today I'm going to show you how to use your Google Drive, which you receive for free through the Google Apps and your RAMS account. First, you need to go to mail.rams.colostate.edu. Again, that's mail.rams.colostate.edu, and it will say Google Apps for Colorado State University. When you get to the page, it looks like this. You need to enter your EID and your password, the same EID and password that you use for all of your CSU logins, and then you're going to push continue. After you log into your RAMS account, you will see that it looks like a Gmail screen if you use Gmail, except that it says Colorado State University on it. Please go to the top right corner and you will see 9 squares. It kind of looks like a telephone dialing pad, 9 squares in the top right corner. You need to click on that and you will see My Account, Mail, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides. Drive is your cloud storage. That's where you can store your files and organize them. Docs is like the Word program. Sheets is like the Excel program. Slides is like PowerPoint, and this is actually what we use for our wiki in our class, our vocabulary wiki. We use Google Slides. You also have a calendar, a chat session, I'm not exactly sure what Meet is, and websites, which is what we will be using on Friday to build your website. But today I'd like you to click on Drive. When you click on Drive, it will open your Drive folder. Again, this is a cloud storage program. This is where you can store files, and you will see that I already have files and folders here because I have been using my Google Drive. You can change the way it looks over here on the right. You can make it look like folders and files, and you can see little previews of your files, or you can make it just a list, and you can organize by name up or name down. You can organize by most recent or something like that. I usually just keep it in alphabetical order. That's easiest for me. And for me, I prefer this style of visual. But this is not for everyone. Some people prefer this other style of visual. So it is your decision. You will want to create a new folder. So you're going to go over here on the left, over here, New, and you're going to click Folder. And you should title it something like Grad ePortfolio Spring 18. Maybe Grad Portfolio, or you could just call it My Portfolio Spring 18, or whatever you want to call it, and then you push Create. I have already made my folder right here. You can see it, Grad ePortfolio Spring 18. And then from there, once you have your folder, you will see I have already put all of my things in here. I put my pictures in here that I decided to use in my website. I have my essays that I used in my website. I have the PDFs that I used in my website. Everything that I planned to put into my website, I put into this folder, so it's all in one place. It's easy to use. In order to put things here, you have 2 ways that you can do it. You can find the file on your computer, and you can drag it and drop it in here. Once you have your file open, it's easy to just drag and drop. Or over here by New, you can click on New and you can do File Upload. And that will again bring up things that you can upload, and you can search your computer from it. Your screen might not look exactly like my screen because I'm using a Mac, but this screen on the Google Drive will look the same no matter what type of computer you are on. So again, you can do New, File Upload, or you can upload a whole folder, or you can just drag and drop. If you open another tab and you open something like Facebook or some social networking to get your pictures, you can just drag it from the other tab into this tab. One more thing to remember, if you are working on your brainstorm this week for your portfolio, you could begin typing things by creating a Google Doc. So you would go to New Google Doc. And if you open a new Google Doc, this is just like your Word program on your computer. So I'm going to title this Brainstorm for Non-Core Portfolio. And I'm going to add this. That's what this title will automatically be, or you can change the title. And you will see right here, back on my Drive page, if you look at the top, you can see the Drive icon, and this is the Word icon or your document icon. So this is like a folder where we store it, and this is the actual item. And you can see right here, it automatically appears. It's called Brainstorm for Non-Core Portfolio. And I can see that this item is a Word file, a document, and this is a Google document file. In general, they are the same. The only difference is that this one automatically saves in your Drive. You can see here it says all changes are saved in Drive. And from here, I will probably start typing my prospectus assignment page, and then maybe I might start writing my introduction or something like that. My introduction to the, oops, look, I have a typo, assignment. My introduction to that page, or I might start with my reading, writing page. And these will be the things that I use in my website. So if you want to start typing here instead of handwriting, you're welcome to do that. Then on Friday, when we make our website, you will only need to just copy and paste into the website. It makes it very easy. So again, you need to go to your Rams account. You need to log in. It will take you to the mail screen. Up here in the right-hand corner, you go to your Drive screen. That will take you to your home. When you get here, if you have never used this before, you won't have any of these folders here, and you need to create a new folder. You need to name it, whatever you want to name it, push create, and then you need to put your documents in there. On Friday, when we make our website, it will look like this. So I'm going to give you a little preview. When you make your website from your Google site, it won't look like this right away. But if you see on the right-hand side, you can choose images, you can upload a file, or you can choose from your Google Drive. If you already have everything in your Google Drive, it makes it very easy to put it directly into your website because it's already in one place and it's already linked inside of your Google Drive, and it makes it easy to put it into your Google website. That's why I think it's a good idea to prepare everything before we start making the website. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, make sure you put all of your folders into your Google Drive before Friday, and we'll see you in class to make our website.